We've got another waterfall to come to today. This is our last stop for today. It's kind of nice. We have this waterfall, that waterfall, another one way down there. Oop, almost took through with this thing. Oh well. I guess this waterfall you can actually go behind. Almost running into people here. That's a pretty waterfall though. Get a little wide angle view here. Nice view. Well, I can see all three at this angle. Or two of them. Did you like your picture?
Yeah. Come on, let's go to YouTube.
Okay, YouTube? Us too? Alright, we're gonna get our picture here. Woohoo! Whoa, we're looking at the waterfall. Nice and windy and wet. Look at all that water. Wet, very wet. Very wet. That's the spot to get your picture taken, right there. See, that's the spot to get your picture taken. Get all that plastic, cold, wet air coming right on your face.
Well, you wanna go there?
Now we're a little closer to going behind it. When you're up here, at least there's not quite so much water coming right in your face. Here's the view from behind. Look at that. Woo! Kind of wet, cold and refreshing, all at the same time. I think it's wet. 50 degrees out today. It's a little on the chilly side to be getting wet. Might want to make sure to wear a rain jacket. I just have my winter jacket on. So far I'm staying dry. I'll take it off when I get in the car. Look at that beauty though. There you go. Take pictures. Help each other take pictures. So this is what it looks like behind the falls. Not very easy to take pictures because you're all backlit. So just be aware of that. You're not going to turn out very well with your pictures. But it's still fun back here. Man, it's wet and cold back here though. I think I've had all I can care to take. Wow. Boom.
Woo!
So what do you think, honey?
Oh my God, no. It's okay.
Do you like this?
No, I'm cold back. Oh my goodness.
She laughs and says she doesn't like it, but she's
It's okay.
cold. But she's take like a million pictures.
No, that's not true. Because I'm cold. Okay, let's go now.
Okay, let's go now. Look at that fall though. Isn't that pretty?
Nice.
All the way down.
And then just go around like this. Go.
Okay,
We're gonna
let's
go
go this way.
all the way on top again. There you go. Did you see the people there?
Yeah, we gotta climb up there.
Gotta climb. Okay. Oops.
Careful, there's rocks.
Yeah. So.
It's a rock path. It's wet, slippery, so be careful.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Look at that video. We're down there having fun, getting wet. Woo! Alright, one last video clip before we come away from this little watery wonderland here. That was a lot of fun going back behind there. Awfully wet, but still a lot of fun. You should do it.
Thank you.
Alright, one last video, I guess. Nice shot looking up the creek into the falls. Look at that. Is that beautiful? Lovely, absolutely beautiful. Love looking at God's creation. It's amazing. Stuff like this, how beautiful it is. I have to be grateful for the Creator that helps us to enjoy such things. And here's the name of this waterfall. I have no idea how to pronounce it. After a cold walk behind the falls, I got my hot Swiss mocha in the local vending machine here in the store. It's a great way to finish off your trip behind the falls after getting all wet.
How much you pay for that one?
$4.80.
For $4? US, not kronor.
No, that's US dollars.
US dollar?
Yeah.
Wow. It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. I know food is expensive here, but
It is.
it's not.
Everything is expensive. We're just so lucky that we have family here.
Yeah, that's
Right.
helped out a lot. Not having to rent a car, not having to pay for a hotel or any place like that.
Just only the ticket and
Only the airplane ticket, and we have to fight them to pay for anything else.
yep.
So
They don't want us to pay anything.
very fortunate that way. So, but yeah, we had a good time.
It was.
Definitely had a good time.